It's about always putting quality before margin. You cannot sell margin. The product needs to speak. What we're about is high quality knitwear made in British wool and cashmere, hand finished in London, like everything done together, where all the raw materials and all the steps are done in the one place.
The team also really makes Knitster a really special place to work. Everyone's so involved in each process.
It's good in that sense because then we all get an understanding of like what the quality level should be when we're working on pieces.
People need to be educated more specifically on knitwear, how challenging it is and how many stages there are to the production process. And it's like baking a cake. If one of those goes wrong, the whole thing is messed up. The humans that make their garments are not just cogs in a wheel. They are skilled and experienced workers that make decisions at every stage of the process that impact the quality of your garment. And I think customers are becoming more educated as well. I mean, we will always make the decision that gives the product the most longevity. I only want to send production out into the world that is of the highest quality and that I'm proud to put my name and Knitster's name to.